What is going on, everyone? Today we are going over the trade recap that I took for $2,190 today. It was an absolute banger. We are finally back to the grind. I took a nice little break off. The free Discord has been up for a while, and I'll be teaching you guys exactly how I read my daily buys. And there is our daily liquidity right there. So as you can see, we were in a clear 4-hour bearish market structure, and today we were showing some resistance, especially early this morning. So I was thinking that we are probably going to start pushing up. So I went down to the 1 hour to actually confirm my bias or my thoughts. We had unfilled fair value gaps up here, which was our draw on liquidity pretty much for the sell side, buy side liquidity. Go down to the 30, and we're just looking, just checking. We saw that the 30-minute, we disrespected this PD array, and we were probably going to keep pushing up because we had nothing else holding us down. So that was just confirming my bias. Same with 15, and I was just marking out liquidity. So this was that 1 hour fair value gap that we were targeting. This is the new week opening gap. So that was also the major draw on liquidity. Then we dropped down to either 30, 15, or 5-minute just to confirm which target areas are best, even though we might not trade to them. Right here we have a liquidity right here with an unfilled 15-minute fair value gap here. So I'm expecting price to draw up towards there. 9:30 open. So waiting for either a liquidity sweep, which we already got this morning. We had sell side liquidity swept, and we're just waiting on continuation. So not only do we have a 5-minute fair value gap right here, but also we have a 15-minute forming as well. So we are looking very bullish. Now you could say, hey, Brennan, opening this 5-minute was disrespected. Well, guess what? We don't need that anymore. What's more important, the 5-minute or the 15-minute? The 15-minute. The 15-minute has a stronger bias. It's holding more weight to the market than the 5-minute is. So we still know that we have a 15-minute fair value gap that's being respected. That's probably where some people took a sell-off because they saw, oh, well, I saw a 5-minute inverse from whatever. Where's my 15? So we're dropping back down to the 1 minute, and we're just waiting for a setup to happen, or unless this 15-minute is disrespected, and then we'll start actually looking for sells. So you have to have your if-then statements. Like, that was my if-then statement for the day. If this 15-minute is disrespected, then I'll be looking for a continuation towards the downside, sweeping lower sell side liquidity. If not, we are going to push up and reach those hourly fair value gaps or the new opening gap. And this is where my setup happened. So let's go over. If you don't know how I trade with 3 confluences. It has to have at least 3 confluences, or else I do not take the trade. Now, you could have said today I cheated. Not really, kind of. I could have waited one more candle, but whatever. Stone me. So we did have a 1-minute fair value gap, so that was confluence 1. Then confluence 2, we had an inverse fair value gap, and then practically a change in stated delivery. So I entered right here, stop loss down here, below the lows, up highs to the higher high. Yes, we could have targeted the daily high, but I just didn't feel like staying in the trade all day, to be honest, which it would have been pretty quick. So sucks, but I should have left a runner. That was my biggest thing, but I'm happy with the profits I took today, so I don't really care. Anyway, then our next candle was more of a confirmation to the trade. So like how I capitalized that one. We have a breaker block. So not only do we have 3 confluences, we have 4. We have a breaker block as well. So that is just confirmation for me that this trade is good. So let it ride, don't touch anything. And my break-even area, you could ask where I had it. My break-even area would be these highs, not this one, because I don't really count this as a structural high. We need a 5-minute high, in my opinion. That's where I would have taken a break-even if I was letting this, oh my gosh, letting this trade right out to here. But I didn't. So take profit. And then it goes and smacks that daddy in the mouth, boy. Yeah, that could have been a gnarly trade. But, it is what it is. take your profits and leave. I'm good with 750 on each account, or 730 each account, sorry. But anyway, let me show you the Discord. Where'd it go? And then we pull up the Discord and we show up 750 on each account, done for the day. Reasons why I entered: we swept sell side liquidity. Price is pulling to an unfilled weekly gap or the 1 hour fair value gap. Those are our key levels. Also with the 15-minute fair value gap after sweeping sell side liquidity. I don't know. Oh, I meant whatever. And then our confluences, we had a fair value gap, a change in state of delivery, inverse, which is what I entered off of, and breaker block as a confirmation. Boy, let's 100 that. And then that's the trade that we took earlier. Sexy trade, boy. Let's get a payout this month. I've been working a lot. That's why I haven't been posting very much. I had some big jobs I had to do. I did 2 full trim houses, which supplied me for the month of December and we went on a lot of vacations. So I apologize for not posting very much. It was just, I didn't have the, I wouldn't say drive, but I didn't have the need. I didn't need it. I feel like trading again. I feel clear, if that makes sense. So let's get some payouts. I hope you guys can learn something from this video and exactly how I traded. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. We are like at 500 subs, bro. That's pretty crazy. I've never been like that before, so that's awesome. So comment down below anything that you guys need help with or that I should work on. Just let me know what you guys want to learn so I could actually like have ideas to post on YouTube. There's a lot of good videos out there. You know, I've been watching Patty or PB Trading. He's like a little boot camp. That's a pretty fire series, not gonna lie. I don't like, I guess you could say I trade like him. He trades just based off inverse fair value ups. I trade based off confluences. So whatever, it's all the same thing, I guess. But I like his mentality videos. Maybe I should post one of those. Gotta dig deep. Gotta grind. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I did that. Anyway, I love you guys. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. Pray today. Get that Jesus in you, because that Jesus controls your heart, and that heart controls the charts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was actually fire. It really does. Bring Christ into your life. You'll understand that the markets have no control over you. My lips are chapped, bro. It's like 7 degrees out. Let's check. Let's check real quick. Oh, it's actually not bad. 32 degrees. Yesterday, tomorrow's going to be... Whatever. I love you guys. Stay safe. Peace.